Justin Vacula here with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast. I'm in Shanghai, China, recording mid-April 2026. I'm at the bottom of the Bund sightseeing platform and see lots of art on the wall. Various types of flowers and something encircled in what appears to be a glass case. Cool art and some trees just above. This is the Bund sightseeing platform area. As you can see, the waterfront, ships passing by, lots of buildings. I have that in previous videos, but for this one, let's get a view from the bottom and see some of the art on the wall below. Over here, we see a bull. This might be similar to the stock market in the United States, as there are lots of banks, and this is the financial district next to East Nanjing Road. See Bangkok Bank, many other buildings. Cool architecture. You can see the Chinese flags up top, see the tops of the buildings, and a clock tower. The art on the walls continues throughout, and lots of detail. You can see some potted plants on the bottom, these small pots lining up on the wall, forming this big image. As we get closer, we can see some of them here as well. It's not just one big flower display, it's all these small pots creating the design. The white flowers continue, pinks, reds, and much more. See an area over here. This might be the sightseeing tunnel. See some red characters on the outside and more potted plants. Lots of cars, taxis, buses passing by. You can see a narrow street on this side. Continuing through, lots of people walking, especially up top, joggers, runners, and more. Lots of tourists, it seems, in the area. Lots of people taking photos, videos, just like me. Back to the wall, you can see now these pink flowers up top. Maybe cherry blossoms, maybe not. But it is April, so it is possible, and it is good weather. About 65 degrees Fahrenheit, around 8:30 in the morning, local time. Nice to get some exercise in the morning. And this is walking close to the hotel I'm staying, Hyatt on the Bund, in this waterfront area in Shanghai. I arrived at the airport, took metro, which took about an hour to get to the East Nanjing Road stop, and then maybe a 30-minute walk through this area to get to the hotel. Some more art along the bottom of this wall, this time some blue colors, perhaps forming this design that looks like waves or the sky. Up above, you see all these trees and what looks to be some sort of wooden walkway. Toilets on this side and lots of restaurants or shops as we'll continue. I'm here mainly because I'm going on a cruise with Royal Caribbean, Spectrum of the Seas, 4-night cruise from Shanghai to South Korea, Incheon area. See what looks to be a bird on this side, a bird art on this side with some Chinese characters. Maybe stay off the grass, maybe not. And some more characters on this side as well. Lots to see here in Shanghai, China, near this East Nanjing Road stop and the Bund, the waterfront area. You could see my past videos for more of the waterfront, where I'm walking through gardens, parks, and the upper part of the wall, the Bund observation area. No rain today, or at least not at the moment, but it definitely was in earlier days, earlier mornings, and late at night. There were even thunderstorms. But now a good time to walk and good weather. Up above, you can see a tower in the background. A little bit cloudy, but you can still see the pink in the background, a circular area, and another gardens area with some Chinese characters. A bus stop just ahead, 2 buses on the other side of the street. Justin Vacula with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast, signing off from Shanghai, China. Stay tuned for more content.